name is Vida. I'm the customer rep at Techvill Appliance Repair. Here we really care about the customers. We try our best to provide the best possible service. So there have been many cases where people call with problems that seem to be too difficult, and when somebody's appliance is not working, the fact is that that person is not in a good mood. The appliance is not working, he or she is expecting to pay money, so I need to be very patient with them, and I try my best to provide the best possible help. I had a Hotpoint stove this morning, and the model, it was quite old, so she said maybe you cannot find a part for it. So I started calling around, and I could finally find one in a warehouse. I had to make sure they had it, because sometimes the website or their inventory shows one available where it has not been updated and it is actually not there. So I had to call many times, get the lady, and then kind of ask her, could you please kindly go and see if you actually have this in place? And she said that they had it, and I called the customer. She was quite happy. She said, I like this oven. I grew old with it. I didn't want to get rid of it. So she was very happy that we could find and locate the part. And she's booked for Saturday.